Okay, hi everybody. Today what I'm going to quickly do is demonstrate to you how we can take a photograph of artwork, and in this case it's going to be our mark making project, and how we can use an app to help us convert that to an appropriate file which we can then later edit on Photoshop. Now, what you would normally tend to do with any artwork when you're trying to transfer it is take a photograph of it, and you would traditionally probably use your camera option on your iPad. Then it would be a case of then uploading it. Once it's on Photoshop, you'd then probably need to crop it because you wouldn't be perfectly straight or have a perfect bird's eye view to being able to get all the information in it. But what Microsoft have done is they've created this app, and it's called Microsoft Lens. So that's what I'm looking for you to please download. If you don't have it on your screen already, you will find it in the self-service app on your iPad. But you can see on my screen the app that I'm looking for you to download is the one that's at the bottom here, where it's the kind of reddy orange app with the white logo and the L in it. So when I select that app, it'll take me direct to a camera. Now, what I can then do is I can try and position myself roughly where the document is, and you'll see that kind of orange grid line going round it, because it's snapping to the work in front of it. So when I then take that photograph, like you can see here, it processes it, and you can see that it allows you to, if you want, adjust it to get the image exactly how you want it before processing. Once you're happy with it, you can select done, and the image will then process to come full screen. Now that's that photograph taken, and it's now going to be ready to upload. So I'm going to select done, and it's going to give me a range of options where I can export this file to. You could export it to your photo library, your OneDrive. You can see that you can email it to yourself. I'm going to suggest that you access it through your OneDrive account. So if you select OneDrive, you'll see that I've done this a few times already, because I've been working on these files today on Photoshop. But you will see that that is starting to transfer to your OneDrive, which is all we need it to do to enable us to be able to access it. So that means that when we log on to a PC and we open up Photoshop, we can access that file by just simply opening up our OneDrive account and finding the image that we've just transferred. Hopefully in the near future, when we've got Photoshop direct onto these iPads, then we'll be able to simply just access the image here, and that has alleviated the whole role for needing to crop the image or needing to adjust it in such a way to make the viewpoint more accurate to a bird's eye view, and it also has quickened up the time it's going to take us to transfer the image onto different computers and programs. So now I'm going to close that, and I'm going to take you through a demonstration next on Photoshop.